How to get a free WordPress hosting and domain. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a free WordPress website and how you can acquire a free domain. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is to come over to profreehost.com. Now once you're over here, as you can see, this is a free website. It is $0.00 for life. They will never ask you to pay for using hosting services, and getting a stable website has never been cheaper as well. And also you can create your own website by doing bumbles as well. How does this website basically works? Now how you can create your own website. So the first thing that you have to do is basically register yourself. Now you can create an account by clicking on the create account button over here at the top, or you can click on the register now button. So click on create an account and it will take you to this web page where you will simply have to enter in your email address and a password, which is a minimum of 6 characters. So once you've entered that, just simply click on this arrow button or this button over here, and then your account will be registered. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on this button now. Wait a couple of seconds for the website to load up. Now, as you can see, once it's loaded up, this is how it will look like. It will basically ask you to activate your account. So you have to go to your email address and check if they've sent a activation email. And if you haven't, you can just simply click on this button and they will resend the activation email. So I'm going to go ahead and activate my account, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, this is the email over here. And all I have to do to activate my account is just simply click on this activate account button. And when I do that, it'll take me to this website, and over here, as you can see, our account has been activated successfully and redirecting it to the main page. Now, once it's done, just simply click on the create a new account button to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new account, and over here, all I have to do is enter in a name for our website, and then this will be our domain name. It can either be unox.com or easyro.com. Whatever you choose, it doesn't matter. And you can also have a custom domain as well if you want to have a custom domain. But if you choose that, you will have to pay a small fee as well. So let's just stick with the free domain, and I'm going to choose the easyro. Now this is going to be my account over here. This is going to be my domain, and as you can see, it is available. If it weren't available, it would not show up. So I'm going to click on this button over here, and as you can see over here, our accounts is being activated. This is our account. It is activating as of right now. Now we can go ahead and manage that as well. So wait a couple of seconds for this to load up, and if it loads up, you're good and done. But if it doesn't load up, wait a couple of seconds more and then just simply refresh the home page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and now I'm going to click on manage. And once I have done that, as you can see over here, it's saying us refresh the page after some minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this time to tell you a little bit of details about this while it reloads. And if it loads up, it's good, but if it doesn't, we'll have to refresh the page. So over here down below, this is our overview, so this is our username over here. This is our status. It's still creating. It hasn't been created yet. This is going to be our main domain. This is our builders created and created on the date and time as well. Over here is going to be the FTP host name, the FTP username, and the password as well. Now you can show and hide this if you want, but I'm not going to show you guys. And then you have the DNS, because basically the servers and stuff like that are going to be over here. So now that a couple of minutes have passed, let me just go ahead and refresh the page. And as you can see, it's completed and our status is active. So our website has been created. This is our domain over here. Now we can go ahead and manage our website with feature rich control panel. We can create / manage drag drop builders for this account as well. So let's just go ahead and click on the control panel, and it will take us to this page over here. It's redirecting us to the control panel. So we have to wait at least 5 seconds. And once that time has passed up, just simply click on I approve. And if you don't approve, then you will not proceed. It's just as simple as that. Now, once you're over here, as you can see, we have a lot of things going on. We have preferences, we have files, we have databases, we have domains, we have emails, metrics, security, softwares, and stuff like that. So over here, basically, this is the place where we're going to create a WordPress website. Basically, we have done a lot of things. We have acquired a free domain in a very, very short amount of time. Now, what I want you guys to do is just simply scroll down, and then down below underneath softwares, you will have these couple of options over here. So you have Cloudflare, you have site builders, you have this app installer, SEO tools, alter PHP configuration, and select PHP version as well. So what I want you guys to do is just simply click on the Softalius app installer, and what it'll do is redirect us to another site where we can choose which type of software that we want. So as you can see, once we're over here, so these are the top scripts available. So we have WordPress, we have Joomla, we have Abante Card, we have PHP BB, we have SMF, we have OpenCart, Laravel, and many more. So what we want to do is create a WordPress domain, a WordPress website. So let's just choose WordPress, and what I want you guys to do is hover your mouse over it and then just simply click on install. And once we click on install over here, it is going to be asking us what type of details that we want to enter. So this is going to be the version, and this is going to be the install URL. As you can see, this is the URL over here. And then down below we can choose the site name. Then we over here just enter in the site name as well. So I'm gonna write how to. So this is what I wrote. This is going to be my site name, and then down below it is going to be a site description. Basically all you have to do is write a small description about your site if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just leave it at that. And then down below you will have admin username, and then you have admin password, and then you have admin email. And then down below you have languages, then you have limit login attempts, loginizer basically, and then you have classic editor. And then down below you can just choose a certain theme as well. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my username. It is going to be admin. And then down below we have these themes over here. Now we have a couple of more themes, as I said before. So as you can see, we have a pretty amazing amount of themes as well. They look pretty good. So let's just go ahead and choose one of these themes. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one over here. No, this one. I'm going to choose this one. It looks pretty cool. I'm going to select this one, and then I'm just simply going to click on install. I wait for a couple of seconds for the data to be submitted, and the website is going to be installed. So it says it's going to take at least 3 to 4 minutes. So what I want you guys to do is do not leave this page until the progress bar has reached 100. Don't close this menu, don't close the Chrome tab, don't close the browser. Just leave it and let it run in the background so that you don't stumble upon some mistakes. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for a couple of minutes and let this install, and I will catch you guys in the next step. So as you can see over here, and now we can go ahead and click on these two domains over here. So this is going to be our main WordPress home site, and this is going to be the administration URL as well. So let me just go ahead and check it out. So if I click on this link over here, it is going to take me over to my WordPress homepage. And let's see over here. Let's wait a couple of seconds for it to load up. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. This is what the template I chose looks like. So over here are going to be my recent posts. Over here are going to be my recent comments. The search bar is over here. This is going to be my header over here, and we can get started by clicking on get started and stuff like that. Now I know it isn't much, it's pretty simple, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get a WordPress homepage. And I acquired this homepage in less than 10 minutes, guys, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. So now let me just go ahead and click on the administration link and see what kind of options that I have. So over here, I'm just simply going to enter in my password and my administration name, and I'm going to click on login. So as you can see, this is our administration page, and this is how it will look like. So over here, this is our dashboard, and we can now simply customize our site over here. So if I click on this button, I can go ahead and customize my site. I can write our blogs. I can set up my homepage. You can view our site. We have some more action over here, and you can also do a lot of different stuff over here. So let me just go ahead and customize my site. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. Now once I click over here, this is how the website looks like. Now as you can see, we have the top head selection, we have the head banner, general settings, blog panel, header media, site identity, colors, background images, menus, widgets, and many more. So we can customize all of this, and we can also change the theme. But over here, as you can see, my current active theme is Creative X. So if I want to change it, I can go ahead and click on it, and over here it will show me all the installed themes over here, or I can just simply click on wordpress.org themes, and it will show me all the themes that are available over there. So as you can see, these are the themes that are available as of right now. They're loading up, so I'm just waiting for them to load up, and I think this one looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. and I'm gonna go ahead and click on the live preview. So wait a couple of seconds because it's setting up our live preview. This might take a little bit of time. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. It's still loading up, I think, or I think it's loaded up. So this is how it looks like. So over here, we'll be able to manage all the different things. We can choose cover template. We can choose the theme option, background images with menus, widgets, and stuff like that. Once we have done this, we can just simply click on active and publish, and then our WordPress site will be activated and it will be live and functional. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.